Are you still skipping breakfast? Let's change that in just 5 minutes. Picture this. A cozy morning, the sun peeking through the window, and the smell of something delicious wafting through the air. First, grab your favorite ingredients, maybe some eggs, spinach, and a slice of whole grain bread. Now, let's get cooking. Crack those eggs into a bowl, whisk them up, and add a pinch of salt and pepper. While that sizzles in the pan, toss in some fresh spinach. Watch it wilt beautifully. This is where the magic happens. While the eggs are cooking, pop that bread in the toaster. Timing is everything, so keep an eye on that countdown timer. In just a few moments, you'll have a fluffy, protein-packed scramble ready to go. Now, the toast is golden brown, and it's time for the grand reveal. Plate it up, a perfect egg scramble on toast, topped with a sprinkle of your favorite cheese. And here's the best part. Enjoying this meal not only fuels your body, but also sets a positive tone for your day. A hot breakfast like this can boost your mood and energy levels, making you feel ready to tackle anything. So, why skip breakfast when you can whip up something so satisfying in just 5 minutes?